Today, in the state of Maryland, it's 63 degrees Fahrenheit, mostly cloudy. Feels like 62 degrees, wind 3 miles per hour, visibility 9.9 mile, barometer with the even number of 30 inch, with the 30.0 inch, humidity more than 50%, and finally, dew point fewer than 40 degrees. Notice, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be 69 degrees, partly sunny, but we're going to stick with 63 degrees, mostly cloudy. So, ladies and gentlemen, with the Doppler radar, it's going to be very quiet and empty. So, we're going to skip the radar because it's quiet and empty in the state of Maryland, and moving on to the wind. Right here in Baltimore. Baltimore is showing 2 miles per hour. Westminster, 3 miles per hour. Hagerstown, 3 miles per hour also. And so is in Salisbury, Lexington Park, and finally, Annapolis. Right here in Cumberland, it's going to be 7 miles per hour. And then Frederick, 4 miles per hour. So everywhere in Maryland where you live, it's going to be blue. Notice, ladies and gentlemen, clouds are going to be moving on the eastbound side. It's going to be through the eastbound side in the state of Maryland, including in Harford County, Cecil County, Kent County, Prince George's County, and even so on. And don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, the clouds are going to be coming through Baltimore County and Baltimore City. It's going to clear up Frederick County and even Carroll County. Humidity are showing nearly 50% in BWI, which is in Baltimore and somewhere in Maryland. So I'll say it one more time. Nearly 50% in Baltimore. 40% in Hagerstown. Same thing in Lexington Park, Cambridge. Nearly 50% in Washington. Westminster is showing 33%, same thing in Cumberland. So, you notice, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to know this. 30% is showing the orange and the yellow. And then the 40% is showing the green. Like we have in Washington, Baltimore, Salisbury, and Lexington Park. The orange is going to be 30% in Westminster, Frederick, and Columbia, even in Cambridge and Annapolis. So 40% is in Cambridge and Hagerstown. Visibility are showing in Baltimore 37.4 mile. Westminster, 39.7 mile. Same thing in Hagerstown, same thing in Cumberland. Salisbury are showing 39.3 mile, Cambridge 38.4 mile, and finally Annapolis 36.8 mile. So more than 12 miles per hour are showing the gray. Pressure are showing the blue everywhere in Maryland, and even in Allegheny County are showing the light green, almost towards blue, but not quite. Like we have in Cumberland, 28.56 inch. The rest of the Maryland cities where you live, Hagerstown are showing the blue, which is 29.37 inch. Frederick are showing 29.34 inch. Westminster, 29.25 inch. Annapolis, 29.92 inch. And even so on, are showing with nearly 30 degrees in Cambridge, Lexington Park, and Salisbury. Dew point are showing 42 degrees Fahrenheit in Baltimore. Cumberland, Hagerstown, and Westminster are showing with nearly 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And so is in Frederick with nearly 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're in the lower of 30s and showing the upper of 50s and 40s. Salisbury is showing 45 degrees. Cambridge, 44 degrees. Annapolis, 42 degrees. Even in Washington, 43 degrees. Air quality index showing the green stuff right here in Maryland. However, you notice that almost towards the 50s, which is the yellow. But right now we are showing the lower of 20s and even the upper of 30s and 40s. The mid of 30s and upper 40s with nearly 50 degrees. Like we have in Salisbury, 45. Cambridge, 44. Even in BWI Airport is showing 22. The rest are going to be 20s and 30s. Wildfire. So wildfire is showing with mostly the gray, which is in the state of Maryland. That means it's going to be light. So we're gonna skip with winter weather because we don't have winter yet. Severe weather. So we have the severe weather in Allegheny County and Garrett County. We have a moderate yellow stuff in Baltimore City, Annapolis, Cambridge, Lexington Park, little bit in Washington. You notice that we have the yellow, which is the other side of Maryland, and even way down Maryland, almost towards Virginia. We don't have earthquake, however. So pollen, we have the yellow of the moderate. Let's wait till it comes up. So you notice that it's really nothing. So it's quiet and empty, however. So we're going to skip the pollen and move on to temperatures. Temperatures are showing with mostly the 60s where you live in the state of Maryland, the green stuff. However, Salisbury, we have 70 degrees. The only 70s we have is in Salisbury. So temperatures are going to be warmer. Notice we have a freeze watch, which is in Oakland and Cumberland. Oakland are showing 56 degrees, sunny. Cumberland, same thing on the sunny, but more than 60 degrees. The rest of the Maryland cities where you live, we have mostly on the 60s, which is in Hagerstown, Frederick, Westminster, Washington, D.C., Annapolis, Baltimore, Bel Air, Elton, Rock Hall, Easton, Cambridge, Salisbury, and Ocean City. So we do have sunny. We do have sunny in Hagerstown, Frederick, Baltimore, and Salisbury. The only cloudy we have is in Ocean City. Mostly sunny we have is in Elton. And that's it. So that's the only mostly sunny we have is in Elton. Partly sunny we have is in Westminster, Annapolis, Bel Air, Rock Hall, Easton, and Cambridge. The average high on this historical weather right here in Maryland, showing with nearly 70 degrees. Average low, fewer than 50 degrees. Record high, 94 degrees with the year of 2019. Record low, less than 30 degrees, 1992. Average rainfall, 4.3 inch. With the day details, expect partly sunny skies. The high will be 69 degrees. Night, the skies will be mostly cloudy. The low will be 56. Sunrise, 7:16 a.m. Sunset, 6:26 p.m. Moonrise, 11:03 p.m. Moonset, 2:02 p.m. Precipitation, 9%. Humidity, more than 40%. UV index, 4, moderate. Max wind, 6 miles per hour. Record rain, 1.6 inch with the year of 2002. Average rain, 0.15 inch. Record high, more than 80 degrees, 2021. Record low, 37 degrees, 2006. Average high, just 1 inch closer to 70 degrees. Average low, less than 50 degrees. So today it's going to be partly sunny around 69 and even with more than 60 degrees. And then tomorrow it's going to be 68 degrees, partly sunny. Now here's the rest of the forecast, ladies and gentlemen. Tuesday, 56 degrees, partly sunny. Wednesday, 57 degrees, partly sunny. Sunny around Thursday with 59. Friday, it's going to be 67 degrees, sunny. Saturday, it's going to be 70 degrees, the highest, it's in sunny. Sunday, it's going to be 72 degrees, mostly sunny. Same thing on Monday, but it's going to be 69 degrees. Tuesday, it's going to be 74 degrees, sunny. Now here's the breakdown. Today, tomorrow, and then Wednesday, it's going to be partly sunny, and even Tuesday. So I'll say it again. The breakdown. Today, tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's going to be partly sunny. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Tuesday, it's going to be sunny. And finally, Sunday and Monday, it's going to be mostly sunny.